What's up friends, welcome to 95 Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to install iOS 12 on your iDevices. So first of all, open Safari and paste this link on your Safari browser and search for it. I will leave this link in the description. Check the links. Check the link in the description below in the video description. So after browsing this link, so this message occurs. This message appears on your screen and then allow it. After allowing it, I already installed this. So after allowing it, restart your phone. After installing the profile, it will ask to restart the phone. So restart your phone and you will get the iOS 12 developer beta and install it on your devices. So hope you guys like this video and subscribe my channel for more iOS videos of iPhone SE, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.